Today, we're checking out a serious contender in the drone world, the KF100 Max Drone. Built for aerial creators, adventurers, and tech lovers, this 4K-ready quadcopter promises long flight time, high-end stabilization, and smart flying capabilities. Let's dive in. Out of the box, the KF100 Max impresses with solid build and powerful internals. A 2206 brushless motor, 3-axis stabilization gimbal, and EIS, electronic image stabilization. That means smoother, shake-free video, even in motion or windy conditions. And speaking of footage, we're talking 4K video at 3840 by 2160p and photo resolution up to 7680 by 4320p. Whether it's sweeping landscapes or detail-rich close-ups, this drone is ready to capture it all. Thanks to its 6-kilometer digital video transmission and remote control range, the KF100 Max gives you serious reach, perfect for wide-open spaces or cinematic drone shots that start far and land near. Powering the flight is a hefty 11.4-volt, 5200 mAh smart lithium battery, giving the drone a long flight endurance, up to 45 to 50 minutes. That's rare for a drone with this spec sheet, and great for long aerial sessions without frequent landings. Smart flight features push the KF100 Max beyond just another drone. GPS-based intelligent follow, image follow mode where the drone locks onto a subject and tracks them, gesture controls, take photos or start video with a simple gesture within 1 to 3 meters. Want hands-off aerials? Use multi-point route planning. Set the waypoints, and the drone flies the path while you focus on shooting. Great for cinematic time lapses or scenic coverage. Need dynamic shots? The fixed-point surround mode lets the drone circle a target at a chosen radius, perfect for cinematic intros, real estate shots, or epic travel footage. With its dual-camera ready design, powerful stabilization, and high-resolution capture, plus smooth 6-kilometer FPV and remote distance, the KF100 Max is built for creators who want professional-level output without premium-level complication. If you want a drone that combines long flight time, serious range, stable 4K video, and smart autopilot features, the KF100 Max is one of the most compelling options right now. Ready to elevate your aerial game? Fly farther, shoot sharper, and explore more with the KF100 Max. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more drone reviews and flight tests.